This is the 10 activities outline that I have posted for you on my courses. As you see here, you have 10 Roman numerals, so you're going to be teaching 10 activities. The first activity is going to come from chapter 11, and it's all about integrating health concepts in physical education. That's different from what I've had in the past. This is just solely health. Roman numeral 2, the second activity you're going to teach is you're going to choose this activity. This is the only activity you're going to choose, and it comes from the website PE Central. The third activity is a fitness activity pertaining to chapter 14. The fourth activity would be a manipulative skill from chapter 17. The fifth activity is another manipulative skill on rope jumping, or it might be a body management skill. So it also comes from chapter 17. Roman numeral 6 is a rhythmic movement skill, so it's going to be teaching a dance. It might be line dances, it might be songs for pre-K kids, it's a mixture of things. Chapter 19. Roman numeral 7 is a parachute activity that comes from chapter 21. On the cooperative skills, Roman numeral 8 is a game, and these come from chapter 22. Roman numeral 9 is a soccer activity. Everybody's going to teach a soccer activity. Roman numeral 10, you're either going to teach a basketball activity, or a softball activity, or a volleyball activity. You're only going to teach one of these three. So these are the 10 activities you're going to teach. Everybody's going to teach Roman numeral 1 first. Then we move to Roman numeral 2. Then we move to Roman numeral 3, and so on. For Roman numeral 1, integrating health concepts. Earlier I said it was chapter 11. It's actually chapter 10. So we need to make that little correction on our 10 activities outline. And chapter 10 actually starts on page 207, and I'll be teaching that later to you. But the actual health activities start on page 212, okay? So on page 212, I didn't pick anything on that page, but if you look on page 213, underneath family and social health, you have the activity Who Helps Us. Then, on the same page, under mental and emotional health, we have the emotional freeze and go activity. I read through these and I picked the ones that I thought we would like to teach and we would want to teach. I didn't pick every activity in the book. We just don't have enough time, and that's humanly impossible. So mystery emotion is also on page 213, but when you turn the page, stress tag, refusal tag, relax to the max, that's on page 214. Then on nutrition, for the nutrition health concept, there's numerous ones I've picked, as you see here, and those start on page 214 and go on through 215 and 216, okay? Personal health starts on page 216, and you will see the different ones that I've chosen here for you. And then on page 218 is our safety health concept. On page 218, I picked 3 there. Sun safety is on page 219, and I have 2 activities. So the way it's going to work, whoever picks number 1 will always teach the number 1 activity under all 10 Roman numerals. Whoever picks number 2 will always teach the number 2 on all the 10 Roman numerals, and so forth. And we'll follow it in that order on who's going to actually teach in the gym. For activity number 2, you are going to go to the website stated here, pecentral.com. This is the only activity out of all 10 activities that you get to choose. So you're going to go to this website, pecentral.com, and on the first sheet of paper for the activities outline, I specify in great detail. So basically what you're going to do is in the upper left-hand corner, there's a red bar at the top, and it says Lessons. So click on that Lesson tab at the top. You'll see it on the far left. And when you click on that, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to go down toward the bottom, and you'll see the word Integrated, and you're going to click on that. Then you're going to pick a subcategory, one of these four that you see here: health and wellness, language arts, reading, math, or science. Those are the only four areas, subcategories that you can choose from. And when you're looking at these activities, take note when you're deciding which one you want to teach. You need to notice the amount of equipment needed, the length of this activity, because you have to type this up in order to be placed on index cards. So those are two major considerations that you want to consider when you're looking these up in order for you to pick it. Once you decide which ones you want to do, then you will go to My Courses and input the one you want. I will show you this in class. Roman numeral 3 is all about fitness. So fitness correlates with chapter 14. In chapter 14, on page 291, they have these animal movements. But if you see, notice you see the words My Courses at the top. I already have all of Roman numeral 3 typed up for you, all ready to go on My Courses. I repeat, I have all of Roman numeral 3 already typed up for the whole class. And it's already there in My Courses under activities, and it says Roman numeral 3, animal movements or exercise handout. So nobody will be typing up Roman numeral 3. But here on page 291 in your book, they have these animal movements listed there for you. And notice I didn't care for the seal walk, so I didn't include that in there. And I had enough with the other ones to do it. So I repeat, Roman numeral 3, animal movements, and then I'm about to talk to you about the exercise handout that I had gotten years ago that I really like, that we're going to do. So for Roman numeral 3, it's already typed up. It's listed there for you. Nobody's going to have to type Roman numeral 3 when you type up your activities. So in actuality, you're going to be typing 9 activities, not 10. This is the second half of Roman numeral 3, and it comes from an exercise handout that I got years ago. Again, all of these activities are listed already for you with the description, instructions on how to do it on My Courses. Whoever picks number 7 will do Coffee Grinder. Whoever picks number 8 will do Crazy 8. But nobody has to type up any of Roman numeral 3 activities because it's already all typed up for you there. Even I have additional material there for you. They're called isometric activities, which means it's activities without movement. It's doing exercising without movement. But this is activity 3. This activity goes very fast. In one day, we're going to do all 25 of them. So it goes very fast.